So here in Korea it's really confusing because shops will have their sign out even if they're not open, because it's very trusting here, and so you don't realize what's open and what's not.
Morena whānau, it's a Sunday here in Korea. Just went out to get some breakfast at the Paris Baguette. It's just up the road here, Paris Bagel. We've been busy trying lots of authentic Korean food, but we decided we wanted to try some of their bakery food.
I got a sandwich and this.
So we've come to this chicken place. It literally is just across the road from the 1.4 kilos that we had last night, but we really want to try it. We got some chicken without bones in it. They were beautiful mustard sauce, chili sauce, and some kimchi fries. Oh, it looks so good. And the beers are like $4 New Zealand.
Hey guys, so today we haven't done a lot. It's mostly been a rest day. We got some breakfast and lunch. Mostly we've just been at our Airbnb resting, and I've been editing vlogs. Also, I found out Netflix in Korea is way better than in New Zealand. They have a lot more things, including Friends. The sad thing is that it's Mother's Day and I didn't really end up talking to my babies at all today. My mum sent me a video of them talking, which was really nice, but other than that I called too late. I called 9 PM New Zealand time, which was 6 PM here, and they were already asleep, so I didn't get to talk to them, and I'm super gutted, but they seem to be okay. I don't know, it's sad. I'm so excited to be here, but at the same time it just feels so long because my babies are so far away. Really miss them, and even when I'm out at the markets I'm like thinking about them and what I can buy them.
A Pikachu game, stuff, toys, princess clothes, and paint, a chicken, makeup, dress, shoes, necklace, payment.
What we found just wandering around. There's something else we found, hey, if you're in a rush to get a Valentine's flower, just come to this vending machine for flowers.
We didn't do a lot tonight, so I went to the 7-Eleven across the road here. I got these, which are choco corn snacks. This weird looking Pikachu thing, which I had to get because it was like 70 cents. An orange juice, my mushrooms, and then my favorite chocolate in a drink, which I think might be overly sweet, but I want to try it anyway. Connor, it's like eating Milo cereal.
Is it?
Try it. I like them. This is a Lottie drink. It's just an orange juice. This, I had to get it because it has a Pikachu. It smells cinnamony. This was what I was most excited about, and this is the thing that let me down. No, it's not as good.